Thank you, Convener. The Minister will be aware of the words to the song The Flower of Scotland and also the British National Anthem. Could the Minister envisage the singing of either of these songs becoming offensive behaviour within the Act? Well, the glib answer to that is no, of course not. But the problem is, with anything, is for a criminal offence, is all the facts and circumstances that that surround that may turn them into problematic. And perhaps it might have been more appropriate to have looked at, say, Rule Britannia, which I understand is one that's frequently used on one side of the terraces in Scotland, that I would not regard as an offensive song. But it is exactly why we don't start defining which songs and listing the songs, because it really is a matter of the facts and circumstances of the case whether something is or is not offensive. I mean, I have seen hundreds of Celtic fans in a manner which I can only describe as aggressive, making signs of the cross, gesticulating across an open area to Rangers fans. A sign of the cross is not in itself offensive, but I suppose in circumstances such as Rangers and Celtic fans meeting each other on a crowded street, it could be construed as something that is offensive. This is why the circumstances that we are talking about are so important. So, my immediate answer to that is no, of course not. But then you have to always qualify, no matter how inoffensive the action, with the caveat that it really does depend on the circumstances.
I want to... Sorry.
So supporters, just to be absolutely clear, I mean, if supporters want to be absolutely sure they're falling within the definition of this Act, we should probably avoid singing those songs. Is that what the Minister is saying?
I'm not going to be drawn into that kind of statement, Mr Lamont. You know perfectly well what I'm saying, and I think so does everybody else.